Hey guys, it's Dania and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can quickly change the entire branding of your YouTube channel, making it look more professional, appealing and recognizable to your audience. So this is fresh off my mind. I completely just redecorated my channel. It went from this to this. So I'm going to be telling you 3 easy steps on how you can transform your channel as well. First app that you want to use is Photoshop Express. It's part of the Adobe package that you can use directly onto your phone and it's really quick, easy. So what we're going to do is open the application up, select the thumbnail that you've decided you're going to use, and instead of keeping it as a full frame thumbnail, we're going to snip ourselves out neatly from the picture. Seems really difficult, but Photoshop does it automatically for you. Just click the little scissor button, click auto, add or remove little bits and you're good to go. Second app you don't need to use, but it's good if the lighting's a bit funky. I like to use Lightroom. You can edit all the specific different colors, and if sometimes I'm looking a bit too orange in comparison to my red background, I just bump up the luminance a bit and make my skin look brighter and not too cakey. Third thing we're going to do, you can download Canva as an app on your phone, but I prefer doing this on laptop so I have a big screen to work with. So I send the picture to myself, I download it on my laptop and I open canva.com. It's free, you can just sign up with Facebook. This is the main website that will help you brand your thumbnails because you're going to choose one custom YouTube thumbnail design and stick with that for the entirety of your YouTube life. So the one that I use is this template. I just edit the photos in the background, edit the text, I include the stars every time, and it's just really easy just to keep this simple template and just keep changing the pictures in the background and uploading my channel thumbnails from this every single time. So I use this technique to change all of the thumbnails on my channel. It only took about 5 hours, but now branding is complete. I changed the banner, my icon to have the red background as well. And now if anyone hops on my channel, it looks like a very well established channel with a good foundation and they know that I'm not here to mess around. With the banner, I paid an artist to transform me into a digital image, and that's the one that I've used for my banner and all of my YouTube videos and my Instagram icon. That's pretty universal across all my social media, so I've kept my branding up to par on all handles. So that's a quick update on how you can change your YouTube branding. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I post every week and I'll see you guys in my next video.